Oh, yep. Almost forgot. Watch. Take this, link it here, and yeah, it's done. Okay, so what should I make the notepad? This is for later. There was this thing, economy system. Game maybe? Earn money to get a key or a weapon to open the gate. Let's see if we can make this. I want to test this out in the new level. This is just wow. This is louder than I thought. Okay. Let's start off with how's the world setting? My game mode. Okay, that's good. Maps. You know what? Let's make a new folder called level. Save it here. And let's make this as a non-moving. It's going to be a non-moving map, just looking around and doing stuff. Like escape room level. Yep. So let's make the room first. No need to move. Just do the things to do side. I wonder if I'm able to do this sphere, no, not sphere, cube. Is there a box? Yes, there's a box. If I'm right. I don't need this. Okay. And maybe I make another one here inside. And make this subtractive. So you can actually see inside. Okay, that was just too much. I think we're good here. Just plain nothing. Okay. Oh, I can set the element. Okay. Let's remove it for now. There's all sorts of stuff inside here. Okay. So what we're going to make was an economic system. So it's basically, I want to make something that if I look at it, I grab it, and then I physically do some movements, and then I earn money by doing the movement. So it's like working out. But since this is going to be VR, it's literally be working out to earn your money. Okay, so how do we do it? First we make an actor. And no, this shouldn't be made from this. It should be an interacting object. Yeah, I think this is the parent. Yep, this is the parent. So we make another child class of this. And we call this the MVRP, the project name, and resource pickup. And let's give it a starting mesh. Oh, we already have a starting mesh. Okay. There's nothing else we can use except the cube. Let's just use the cube. So when we do something, hello Dark Cars Layer Games, welcome. So when we do something, we want to let the player know that he can actually earn stuff for doing it. Oh, so we need to make another variable called money, I guess, inside our character. Now, where's our character? Main character. Let's give it a variable. Money. Not money. Let's give it a resource. Point. Make it an integer. Yep, default is 0. So when we do something, and I want to give it another variable called economic system. Actor tells the pawn, you can earn money now. Then okay, let's just call it money here. Money variable is inside the character. then does the character, should the character have the function to actually earn money? Or should the actor decide that? Okay. Let's make it this way first and see how this works out. Resource is can earn resource. Let's make this a bool value. So what it basically does is get character reference and set it to true. And if it is always yeah, and no, get can earn resource, and if I think I can actually do this with flip-flop. Yeah, I think I can do this with flip-flop. Set our can resource so every time I look at it, it just turns it on, off, on, off. Hello, Emilio. And now yeah, I need to do it here. To think of it, then I have to check in every tick. Do I want to check in every tick? No, I don't think so. So it should be actually in the actor. Yeah. Or I can just make it here. And just make it a false. And make new stuff about the resource stuff here. What's up? Oh. I'm making the game that I was making 2 weeks ago, but in a different way. I'm making new features for the game. A slight different one, actually. This part where we actually do stuff. let's move this up here. So how are we going to earn money? Is it playable yet? No, it's not. It will be playable in June, I guess. I have to finish it actually. I have to finish it as an app for my class. That would be like the end of June, maybe. I'm just making stuff for the game right now. Cannot resource. So we're looking at VR. We want to turn left and right. Left and right. To earn money. So let's get the control rotation maybe. And we want to check if it changed like fast enough. Wait, don't I actually have this in my play controller? Yeah. There's compare vector, look vector, vector's length, but let's just do it this way. First of all, let's just print string to see if this value actually, to see how this value changes. Let's put the resource pick up here. Okay. It's a puzzle game. Well, it's supposed to be a puzzle game, but oh yeah, but this is kind of puzzle. I'm trying to make an escape room version of it right now. Control rotation. Oh, this is the character reference. Yeah, this is the same. So I want to actually give player money if I do this. And it would be really noisy, so I probably want players to actually take the gold cardboard off and do it with their hand or like shake it. So I want to do it about this much. Should be. Okay. But how do I check this? I don't want to check it every tick. Yes, I don't want to check it every tick. Yeah, I shouldn't probably make it in this. Then, should the character have the function to actually earn money? No. If I do this, I'd probably have to do it in a tick. Then the actor should tell. Actually give money to the character. Do you have a plan right now? No, I'm just making stuff right now. My main plan was to make a VR puzzle game, and that's like the wireframe is done right now, and I just thought this economy system with the escape version would be fun as well, so I'm trying it out. So we don't need this. Give it here. So let's get back to the resource pickup, and we don't need to actually do this then. Well, I guess we do, but we don't. Okay. Let's take it back. Get character, get can earn money. Can earn resource. No, why did I do that? Let's check if this value is actually true. And if it's false, set it true. And if it's true in the first time, let's make a new function here. This function should be actually earn money. So Earn money. So I want to actually make the player move their hand or move their face to earn money. So what we are going to need is a local variable. It should be a rotator. Let's make a float for now. A local float. So when we actually get character reference, get the eye, viewpoint, and we know that the rotation keep changes when we actually move our face or we actually move our phone. So we are going to set this we need actually a new just variable, not the local one. Let's set this on rotator, temp rotator. Let's name this temp rotator. Set this well, I need to set it at first, but in the second time when I actually do it, I need to see if this rotator has changed. So I want to okay, I need a stopwatch. That takes about 0.7 seconds. So one way is 0.4 seconds maybe. So I want to check every 0.4 seconds if the rotator has changed from at least 180 degrees. So let's split. We don't need the rotator, do we? What we actually need is a float value of the temp x and another float value called temp y. So first, since this has nothing, we have to set the temp x and temp y. And this should be local x. And this should be local y. If temp x and temp y is both 0 and true, set the temp x Antonis Grigoriadis. Thanks. Thanks for the subscription. We set the temp x and temp y, the value that we want to set as roll and pitch of our eyesight. So if there's nothing inside the value, we just set it to the point where we're looking at right now. And if we go back and we're going to go to the earn money every 0.4 seconds, this function acts like a tick, but slower. So it checks, is this the first value? And if it's not the first value, we set local x and local y. Oh shit, this should be here. And local y of this. And then we compare with our temp x. Get temp x, get temp y, get local x, local y. We need a minus from minus float, local temp x minus local x. But this gives us how much we changed for 0.4 seconds. So we have the value for the temp x minus local x, which would be how we moved vertically, and local x and local y and temp y, as in how we moved horizontally. So we want to check the change of the values. So we want this absolute float, and we want this as an absolute float. 90. Is that enough? But that's actually moving 180, and this is moving 180. But 90, this isn't actually 180. This is like 90 root 2. So do we actually do that math here? Use the Archimedes? Yeah, I think we should. So we power 2, power 2, and we add it. This is just pure math right now. Add. Okay, I'll just use this. Add. Plus, and then we root sqrt if it's bigger. Let's give it a 150 value. Wait, but what if player goes like super fast? Then he'll be back here like okay, let's just check. Yeah, that was 0.25 seconds. That was too fast. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다, 여, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. 20 times 20 times in 3.6 seconds. That's 10 times in 1.8. 1 in 0.18. So let's just check. As a 70 value. True. Get the character reference. Resource point. Set the resource point. Get the resource point. And add it. I guess I can just do this. If I'm going to add it anyway. And print string. Hello, lobster. 오랜만이네. 이건 뭐하러 보러 왔냐? Okay. So we made the function for earn money. So what we basically want to do is we want the timer function, set timer by function name for 0.1 second and make it a loop. Clear timer by function name. Yeah. Oh, this should be the other way around. 그래. 알겠어. 오케이. So we can actually, when it's false, when we look at it, we make it a true and then we set the timer. And when it's true, when we look at it again, we clear the timer and set it to false. That's more like it. Set false. Then, then we just need flip-flop. We're back to flip-flop then. No. Let's just do it the hard way. The hard and dirty way. Set can on resource. Force and clear the timer and make this earn money. And this should be earn money too. Okay. Let's see if this works. Huh? Why am I... Really? I wonder what the problem is here. Why am I earning money when I'm not moving? So we set it when there's nothing. Set the first value. So this should be working. You know what? Let's just print out this 2. I want to see what value it has actually. 322. Really? 322. How? How? Oh. Wait a second. Okay, let's break this for now. Oh no, we don't need to break this. We just need to break this one. And make print string. And we need an append. Not this, not you. Go away. Append. Let's debug some stuff. 만들 수 있지. So we have temp x and temp y. Local x and local y. Let's see how this get value. Print this. Huh. Aha. So we weren't actually using that value, but it still doesn't change anything. 돈 상자가 리젠되는 걸 만드는 거야? 아니, 돈 상자가 리젠되는 걸 만드는 게 아니라 돈 상자를 클릭했으면은 돈을 얻는 모드가 돼서 돈을 얻는 모드가 됐을 때는 고개를 엄청 흔들어야 돈을 벌 수 있어. 그런데 지금 고개를 안 흔들어도 돈이 계속 벌려서 그걸 고치려고 하는 거야. Ah, what kind of song is this? Hmm. Wait. 10 packs. Local Y, temp Y. Yep, that's right. Local X, temp X, that's right. Let's see if our temp value actually, our on local global value changed. Yeah, it's changed. It's 327. Oh, oh, oh. Stupid me. Of course, of course. Of course it earns infinite money. I see the problem here. After we actually earn money, we have to set the temp X and set temp Y. As the value of local X and local Y. Of course. Yeah. Now we are earning money. Ah! See, you don't earn any money while you're not moving, and you earn money. You can see in the left corner when moving. So you'll be actually like head banging to earn money, but you can just take off your good cardboard and just shake it to earn money. If I had to do this in a VR, I'd probably get sick. I'd really take my smartphone off. Okay, so the money system is actually done here. I think you'd probably be throwing up after earning tons of money. Yeah, if I had to do that in like with the good cardboard, I'd probably get sick. So what I'm trying to do, make the player do is actually, when they are earning money, they should take the console off and really just shake it or like do something with your hand to actually work out to earn money, and then when you think you have earned enough, you put it back on and then go with the money you earn. That's what I'm trying to make the players do actually, but I don't know if players will like it. Hey, but it's my game. I just trying out new stuff. Okay. So what do we do with the money then? Didn't think of that part. What do we do with the money? Let's make us oh, this is going to be much more complicated than I thought it would be. I'm thinking of a store system, like where you can buy and sell, well, not sell, but just buy stuff. But to make that, it would be much more complicated than I thought this game would be. Okay, so for now, let's just make another object. Let's call this MVRP by store, where store's just kind of a big name for it. Weaponry. Smith. Machinery? No. Weapon store. Yep. Do you want to learn it over a widget or a 3D interactive or store? Of course, I'd go with the 3D interactable store rather than the widget. Like, basically I just want the meshes to look like, if it's just selling weapon, it would just look like a weapon 3D object, and if it's like a gambling store, I probably want it to look like a gambling store, so the players don't have to like go through like more than 2 depths of it. I just want to make the interactions just easy. I don't want to like go into this menu to go to that menu to buy this, and why are you going to buy it? Yes, no. I don't think that would be really good, since you're actually just using your gaze detection to do everything right now. So our basic cube here. Mobile games made me somehow not like menu stores anymore. Yeah, I hate being menus being power up and then you just go through another button and then another like more specific menus come up and then you press again and then there's like runes and stuff you can buy for the sword and then you just go into that and then there's another button called like powering it up and that's just too much depth. No, no thank you. Yeah. Okay, so when we go to the armory, we're going to give the player a weapon. I guess we have to do something about this room then. Let's make another box here. Yep. Come here and make this subtractive. Put it here. Put it here. So we can actually see that the exit is here right now, but I'm going to change it. First put the weapon store here. When we actually go to the weapon store, what do? We want to give the player the power to... Let's say we just have a bullet. Yeah. Let's give a variable called bullet. Okay, I need to categorize stuffs right now to see it more clearly. Let's just make this a character inventory. And we are going to put the resource point inside the inventory. And bullet inside inventory. And holding object in the inventory. Loading bar is target sim, new variable. What is this? What is this? Or static? Do I even use this? Find reference? No. Erase this. The character reference. Set bullet. Only if we have enough money, that is. Get resource point. Do we have enough more than like 25? It should be greater or equal than 25. Since we want to buy it when you actually have 20. Let's just make this another variable to control it better. Let's make this an integer and price, weapon price, bullet price. And we give the bullet price default value of 25 right now. And if we have more than bullet price, it surely means that we can actually buy a bullet. So we set the bullet, get bullet. I guess we can just increment this, not use the set. Force, if it's force, we do nothing. And we print out It's not a problem yet, but I see the problem with the earning money right now. Yeah, I see the problem here. Get the problem, my friends. So I don't want to do any gauge detection. Oh wait, then I can't turn it off. That's a problem. So my problem with this is right now is, so this is done. Actor should actually give money to the player. This is done. Another problem. I can't. I have to manually turn off the earning resource system. But if I turn off the gazing, why earning money? I can't turn it off. What do we do here? I can't turn it off when I'm doing it, so I need a better solution for this. Okay. There's another but it's not a problem yet, so I can just go on. But yeah, this is probably going to be a problem. If I turn off the gauging system while earning money, I can't turn it off. So I have to keep the gauging system on no matter what. Then I make the earning money method for like 5 seconds, only for a duration of time. So this only goes for a duration of time. Let's see if that delay works. Let's see if the delay works. So let's do it for 5 seconds and let's see if this works. Yeah, it worked. so we can actually earn money for only 5 seconds. But this doesn't seem right. I think there's a better way to do this. There's a better way to do this. Or I can just tell the player. Or I can actually just tell the player. Or I can make a wizard. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, let's make a wizard. Let's just put it in the clue. Let's name this row name. Armor weapon store. And it's going to be shake the phone. Shake the phone for 10 seconds. Should make it 4. Yep, I made the clue number for this one. Why not? Let's make another for this one too. Let's get these. And let's do the same thing for the boom. Nice. Earn money for some time. And this indicates how much time you have. Clue pop-up.
Everything changes.
Let's give this a 4 for now. Yeah. Let's go to the trace.
Life.
Where this clue problem, I don't need it to actually do it like this for this one. When I clear it, I can just destroy. Boom. Let's see if this works. Yeah. That's just too close. Too close. Oh wait, not too close. Too far. Shake the phone for 10 seconds. Yes, we have enough money. Boom. Okay. Now we have to make another actor from our interacting object. We create child, and this is going to be a boulder. MVRP blocking. It's going to be called blocking box, and what it's going to basically do is block. That's everything it's going to do. Let's just change the color from here. DMI. Oh, not DMMI. Dynamic Matter Instance. This lets you change colors dynamically. So I wonder if you can just do it in the construction script. Set vector parameter. Yeah, you can do it in here. I wonder what name I gave it. I said color. Yep. Let's just make this one a blue. Yeah. Just with the blue cube. So it's going to be blocking here. When we do something, it checks do we have enough weapon? Do we have enough bullet? Get bullet. I'm just going to use one bullet for this. For right now. Do you have enough? Then one. True, destroy, actor, self. But before this, get bullet. Yep, just set it minus decrement int. Okay, let's see if we can do this. So when we don't have any bullets, nothing happens. We have to earn money to buy the weapon. Now shake, shake. Ah. Yeah, I guess that's done. Yeah, we buy a weapon. Done. Boom. Yes! That's the basics of the room escape that I'm trying to make. That didn't take that much time. So I have to think of more complex ways and decorate this and think of new features right in the way. Works like a chime. But yeah, I wish I can just go fully on this project, but I have to do other assignments and stuff. So I guess that's it for today's stream with the Unreal Engine. Yeah, and thanks for watching. Dark Gods Lair Games, thanks for being here. It was really nice. Yeah, and I probably doing another stream next week. I hope I get some more done this time before I actually start the stream next week. Yep, so that's it. Bye.